Hey everyone, Christian from RackNerd. Today I am going to show you how to install WordPress on a VPS using VestaCP. If you've already installed VestaCP and are looking to quickly set up a WordPress site, this is the tutorial for you. WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems, and with VestaCP, setting it up becomes a breeze. And then the best part, it is completely free and open source, so let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure that you have a VPS with VestaCP already installed, a domain name pointed to your server's IP address, and your VestaCP login credentials. If you don't have a VPS yet, head over to RackNerd.com for reliable hosting plans, perfect for setting up your WordPress website. We also have a tutorial on how to set up VestaCP for your server, so just check it out before you proceed. It'll be in the description down below this video. Now, once you're ready, I will share my screen here and let's get started with the tutorial. All right, so to get started, log into your VestaCP dashboard by opening your browser and going to the control panel URL, which should be something like https://your-server-ip:8083. I'll put it on screen just to make things easier. But once you're there, enter your admin username and password. You'll be taken to the main dashboard. The next step is to add your domain to VestaCP. Click on web at the top and choose add web domain. Enter your domain name, for example, racknerdtv.com, and then click on the aliases. It will automatically populate your domain's aliases for you, which is by default the www. And in the advanced options, let's also add an SSL by Let's Encrypt here. So just follow along with me so that we're on the same page. And finally, click Add. VestaCP will now configure the web server for your domain. As you can see here, it only took a few seconds for me. Now that that domain is ready, it is time to create a database for WordPress. Go to the DB section and at the top, click Add Database. Provide a name for your database such as RackNerdTV and also set up a username like RackNerdTV. Make sure that you set a strong password. It just helps keep everything safe as you need it during this WordPress installation. VestaCP will automatically append your Vesta user in front of your database name and username, which is admin underscore in my case. So now my credentials will be admin underscore RackNerdTV for my database and username, since I used the same user and database name to avoid confusion. The password will be the same as what you entered during the setup for your database. Next, we're going to install WordPress. So go ahead and connect to your server via SSH. Go ahead and open your terminal or an SSH client like what I use, Bitvice SSH client. Once connected, navigate to the web root directory for your domain by running this command. You can copy this command in the description, but make sure you replace it accordingly with your own domain name or the correct path of your web root directory. Now download WordPress using this command. After that download completes, extract the WordPress files by running this command. This will create a folder named WordPress containing all the files. Move these files to the current directory using the command mv space WordPress / with a star. I'll also put that on screen. Clean up by running this command. To ensure everything runs smoothly, set the correct file permissions by executing these commands. Again, make sure to replace these commands with your own domain name or the correct path of your web root directory. Now that the WordPress files are in place, we need to set up the configuration file. Rename the wp-config-sample.php file to wp-config.php using this command. Open the wp-config.php file using a text editor such as Nano by running this. Find the section where database details are defined. Replace database underscore name underscore here with the name of your database. Username here with the database username, and password here with the password you created earlier. Once you've updated the files, save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X and then Y and hit enter. Now it's time to complete the installation in the browser. Open a browser and visit your domain. You'll be greeted with the WordPress installation wizard. Choose your preferred language, set the site title, create an admin username and password, and provide your email address. Once done, click Install WordPress. If everything goes well, you should see a success message confirming that WordPress has been installed. And that really is all there is to it. We've successfully installed WordPress on a VPS with VestaCP. This setup gives you full control of your website while keeping things user-friendly with VestaCP's intuitive dashboard. If you run into any challenges during the process, feel free to drop a comment below this video and we will be happy to help. For more tutorials just like this one, subscribe to RackNerd TV and visit racknerd.com for top-notch VPS hosting solutions. Thank you for watching and talk soon.